Some hotels, like ours, the Banff Caribou Lodge, provide free bus passes, so today, day 3 of our trip, we took the free bus to Lake Minnewanka. Lake Minnewanka is a stunning 21-kilometre glacial lake in Banff National Park, Alberta, known as the Lake of the Spirits. As the largest lake in the park, it offers activities like boat tours, kayaking and hiking. After a morning of exploring, we decided to head back to town and try the Canadian Brewhouse for lunch. Here's a sample of the menu. The food was fantastic and the drinks were lovely, very cooling after a long walk.